Hi guys, today I gonna unbox Michelin Digital type pressure gauge. I bought it from Amazon. This digital tire pressure is with tire thread gauge. Let's open. This is superb quality. This is capable up to thread depth range 0 to 15 mm and pressure range from 5 to 99 psi. I'm going to pull this tab. Okay, now let's see. Yeah, it's working. And now it's on pressure mode. This is thread depth gauge mode, and if you want to measure the thread depth, you have to push this button, and you can see there is an extension of a small rod which measures the depth of thread. Now you can see the depth. Means that the extension of that rod is 3.8 mm. Also, it's perfect. It's very good quality product from Michelin. If you like the video, please press like button, and if you want to know something about this, please comment. Let's see how it works. Okay, now it's on pressure mode. Showing 28 psi. Again. PSI. Okay, next I'm gonna show the tire depth gauge. Okay, now you have to put this thing any gap of say gently press. Now check 5.3 mm, and here 6.1, here's 5.9,